I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your weather on demand. Well, we saw plenty of ominous skies across the UP today, as there are a lot of shelf clouds and even produced some funnel clouds. No report of tornadoes, though we were in a tornado warning for Marquette County for about an hour or so. But we do have plenty of storm damage to go by. Large trees all throughout Marquette County, several in Ishpeming, and also Baraga as well. They've had power lines snapped, and large trees were 12 to 18 inches in diameter were snapped by the wind. We've had wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. There was a funnel cloud over in Ishpeming by the Bell Hospital, and heavier rainfall in just a very short time, maybe an hour or two. 1.35 fell in Baraga. In Marquette, we had over an inch of rain fall within about a half an hour. Also with that, half an inch size hail and very gusty winds. The city of Marquette itself was actually spared the brunt of it. However, areas to the north and west near Negaunee and just northwest of Ishpeming, they got the brunt of the damage. Thankfully, though, there were no tornadoes reported. Well, right now, we are starting to quiet down just a bit, at least for the majority of the UP. Now off to the north and east in Alger and also Schoolcraft County, we do have some severe thunderstorms, so heads up out that way. Those will continue to track to the east at a relatively good clip, as these storms have been doing so all evening. Notice though behind the front, by the way, the front is actually still over Lake Superior. We are starting to get northwesterly winds now though. 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts out of Houghton, sustained winds at 20 miles an hour. Elsewhere, we're still out of the south. That means the front has not crossed those areas just yet. Well, the temperatures, honestly, they took a back seat today as far as our weather story. The tornado warning certainly stole the show on Sunday, but highs, look at this, off to the east, only in the 60s. Manistee finally had some friends out that way today. Still, they were the coolest one at 65 degrees, 66 in Escanaba. Our official high at the National Weather Service was 72, and 81 degrees was our high out in Ironwood. They have plenty of sunshine in the afternoon, and well, a little bit of sun goes a long way this time of the year. You could just see the warmth surging up from the south over in the Great Plains there. Going to be making a big-time push in our direction come the middle of this week. What I'm going to call the hottest air yet of 2016. Could even rival some record heat that we have not seen really since 2012. We're going to shove the jet stream up to our north there and allow this hot dome of high pressure to settle in over us. Winds are going to be very strong out of the south. But notice though, you'll have, by the middle of the week, we're going to have this ring of fire setup, which means we could have some more showers and storms, particularly Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to feel pretty unpleasant, as we're going to see feel that humidity really creep up there. Wider shot of everything now. You can kind of see the front right over here now, just getting to the western portions of the UP. These are just light showers, nothing severe with that. And so putting your weather in motion on Future View, we'll continue to track this cold front off to the east. We'll watch the scattered showers then diminish overnight into Monday morning, as high pressure will take control of our region, give us dry weather all through the day on Monday. We will see the clouds eventually thin out as well, and we'll get some pretty good peaks of sunshine come the afternoon. And that also will do a number to our temperatures, especially away from the Great Lakes. It's still going to be pretty gusty, especially along Lake Superior shoreline. Then we get going on the day on Tuesday, and we are already in the warm and even hot air. That's going to be reserved until Wednesday. Temperatures for Monday, though, you get the idea that we're suppressed by Lake Superior because we're going to have some gusty northerly winds off the lake there. We're going to warm into the low and even middle 70s in places like Menominee and Delta counties, even in Iron River as well. But Tuesday, our winds shift around as high pressure settles right over us, so the 80s are going to come back, especially the interior west. Marquette, we're looking at a high of 79 degrees, a bit cooler off to the east. Now, your TV 6-day forecast. It is going to turn downright summery after we kick the clouds out Monday and the northerly winds kind of die down throughout the day. Then we're well into the 80s on Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday, though, is going to be the hottest day of the year. I would suspect we're going to even be near 90 degrees in many locations. Chances of showers and storms both on Wednesday and Thursday before finally giving some relief by next weekend.